to the welfare and progress of the people he served. His efforts embody the values of integrity, service, and excellence that we proudly celebrate today. And also, he is a member of Rotary Club Bagong Bayan since 2007. It is now my privilege to invite Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso to the stage to receive the Outstanding Rotarian in Government Service Award in recognition of his remarkable contributions and dedicated service. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving a warm round of applause for Honorary Mayor Isko Moreno.
The very first outgoing President Alan Rios, State Commissioner Ted Oliva, Vice President Eric Choma, please come up to present this award. As I read, Rotary Club of Bagong Bayan, Manila presents this Outstanding Rotarian in Government Service Award to Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso, Mayor, City of Manila, and member of the Rotary Club of Bagong Bayan, Manila. In grateful recognition of your exemplary leadership, unwavering commitment to public service, and steadfast dedication to the Rotary ideal of service above self. Through your visionary governance, compassion for the people, and tireless efforts in promoting good governance and community development, you have brought honor not only to the City of Manila, but also to your fellow Rotarians. Your outstanding achievements in government service embody the highest ideals of Rotary and serve as an inspiration to all who seek to make a meaningful difference in the lives of others. Presented this 30th day of July 2026 during the 46th handover and 47th induction ceremonies given by Club President Severino Oliva. Congratulations to our hard-working Mayor of Manila, Isko, on receiving this well-deserved outstanding service. Now, let us hear a message from our beloved Mayor of Manila, Isko Moreno.
Maupo po kayo. Shout out sa mga taga-Bagong Bayan. Una, magandang gabi to all our visiting officers from their different clubs. All over, kala ko kanina, all over Metro Manila yun. All over the country, halos dito. Tsaka yung ating mga taga-Yokohama. Kumbawa. Magandang gabi. Sa ating pong mga kasamahan, sa inyong lahat. Una, magandang gabi at maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na-appreciate nyo yung aming little effort sa city government. Pumanatag naman kayo from tonight and every other night, of course, but with the recognitions that you've given us, ipagpapatuloy namin na magbuti, maging mainam, at episyenteng mapaglingkuran kayong lahat na mga tagalungsod ng Maynila at yung mga dumadapo sa lungsod ng Maynila. Manila is a very unique city. I mean, with all analogy and analysis, comparison, we are a very unique city. Name it, Ilocano, Ilonggo, Bisaya, Kapampangan, everyone is the most diverse city and a city of a lot of contradiction. Ang daming mayaman, ang daming mahirap. Talagang very colorful itong syudad na ito. And it is one of the oldest city in the country. Having said that, ang pangarap ko talaga, kahit na tayo'y luma bilang syudad, ito'y manatiling maaliwalas at panatag ang pamumuhay sa lungsod. Yan ang aming minimum goal. And for us to achieve that, we continue, as you have heard already during my first term, and now we assume this fresh Monday, we continue to invest into MBN. Now, MBN speaks of minimum basic needs. And that speaks of housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. These are the things that we invest, but how do we increase job opportunity in the city of Manila? By having a very good business environment. And for the past 1 year, I'm happy, and I don't know if you watched the State of the City address, I'm happy to inform you, we grew by double digit, by 13% in terms of business registration. And that provided more opportunity for the people of Manila and our neighboring cities to work in Manila. In fact, pagkalabas niyo mamaya, no? Nakikita niyo dyan yung 7 hectares. It was a dream of mine during the first term. Before I left, it was fulfilled. Pero nag-stump yung progress because of some uncertainty and changing of rules in the middle of the ballgame in my absence. Fortunately, thanks to the people of Manila, putting me back to City Hall and spoke with the C family, no. Whatever we have agreed in the past, it will continue now. And that's why, as you can see, biglang lumobo yung development ng new SM Harrison Plaza in the city of Manila. This is a multi-billion investment. And we know for a fact that may subsidiary effect. Meron yan snowball effect yan sa ating pamayanan. And that will generate easily 10,000 jobs in the city. And that is going to be finished. Sayang nga 3 taong na tinker. Hindi yan umangat ng kahit na 1 metro nung nawala ako. But in just 1 year, as you can see, I think they're on the 4th floor na. So, nung bagong malaking mall. And SM also, they're going to develop, and I allow it and approve it immediately last August noong aking pagkaupo. Yung new development ng San Lazaro, SM San Lazaro, and SM Manila. They're going to introduce more capital investment in their malls. And of course, yung mga non-negotiable area, binalik natin ulit yung kalsada sa ating mga lumalako at naghahanap buhay sa lungsod. And recently, we modified the FAR, which is very important to real property development in the country, or what you call the floor area ratio. Under the zoning rules, from 20 items, it's now 7 items. If you pay under the 15 items naman, for exemption, you'll only get 5 items to be complied with. So these are the works, policies, new policy to invite and create more good business atmosphere in the city. And the effects of it, we grew by 13% in just 1 year, despite of the challenges abroad. The effects of the Iran and American animosities among each other na hindi pa tapos. So, sa ating mga kababayan, my fellow Rotarians, no, We are building college of medicine, schools, in-city vertical housing, and so on and so forth. At ang additives natin, o yung pampasarap sa ulam, no, we continue to reclaim new open space. Yung mga tambak-tambak na bakanting lote, we are now converting it into open green space. In a matter of few days from now, as we speak tonight, we just reclaim about 1 hectare of alikabok na kalsada. Kung mapapansin nyo, maalala nyo siguro nadadaanan nyo doon sa nagtahan, yung mga iniwan debris ng skyway. Now, it's a 1 hectare open green space for senior citizen and pet park in the city of Manila. So we will continue. Okay, maliwalas na yung ilalim ng skyway. Paggabi, I think tayo lang yata yung maliwanag na skyway, no? Malalaman mo kung nasaan yung Maynila. No? But this is not your money, this is not my money. Ipinangharbat ko lang yan kay Ramona. Sabi ko, dilim-dilim yung skyway mo, magkakapanggaan kami doon sa baba. And in fairness to Mr. Ramon, they donated that lighting. So, more to come. And I don't know if this is an assurance, a good assurance to each and every one of you. Don't worry, hindi na ako alis ng Maynila. Bayaran natin sila doon. Kasi may mga kaibigan nun, na-frustrate eh. Hindi naman. Siguro wala namang masamang mag-asam, mga napapaglingkuran mo ang bansa. Manupat kung meron ka ng mga proof of concept that is duplicable and scalable. But the people have decided already. That's water under the bridge now. If there is one level of assurance that I can give you, I intend, with your permission, your trust, I intend to stay for the next decade to develop the city of Manila as the window of opportunity and the capital. It continue to be the North Star of opportunity. And I spoke to some people this morning and I said, we've been producing a lot of millionaires and billionaires in the city, from the city, in the country. Name it. One way or another, they have a story to tell. Experience and done it in the city of Manila. And we'll try to, in our own little way as your city government, to bring that kind of opportunity for others and for the next generation. So sa ating mga kababayan sa Luzon, thanks for your continued support and trust to your city government. We do our best. We are not a perfect government. But one thing that I guarantee you, may gobyerno sa lungsod ng Maynila. So with this, para nyo kung yung baterya, ever ready. Para nyo kung binateryahan ngayong gabi. To energize us, and I'll tell my fellow department heads to do their job, and be efficient from it. Because I think with this recognition, your appreciation of our effort, I will share it to them. Para lalo silang magbuti. So, sakali naman, yung aming imperfection mangyari sa inyo. At halimbawa may kumakatok-katok dyan sa mga pintuan ng bahay at negosyo ninyo. At is trying to squeeze something. Kung kayo magdadalawang isip pa, parang palengke po yung opisina ko. Parang karinderiyan, bukas kahit sino gustong kumain, pwedeng pumasok. Always, you are welcome. Huwag niyo kong pahulain, baka tama kami o mali kami, pero pag may umabuso sa inyo, go to my office. Go to my office. We'll be there. We'll try to correct or offset yung mga aming pagkukulang, and araw-araw pipilitin kong magbuti. So muli sa inyong lahat, I would like to take this opportunity also to thank Rotary as a whole. not only Bagong Bayan where I belong, but as a whole, because Rotary, for so many instances, has been helping the city of Manila. Kaya, on behalf of the people of Manila, I thank you very much sa inyo. At sana, mabasa pa kayo ng ulan. Para patuloy kayong dumami. At huwag kayong mahiyang tumulong. Sabi nga, ang pulubi hindi nakakapamili. Lalo na ngayon, we are physically challenged when I assume, but that's water under the bridge because we have corrected already some extracurricular activities happening in City Hall. Marami pang natitira, pero maitatama natin yan through the years. Dahan-dahan. Kaya, to our friends from Japan, welcome to Manila. Yokohama, I might go there soon because I have an invitation from your mayor. Maganda yung Yokohama. So, I wish you kiss kita. Enggang balik. Thank you very much for visiting the city of Manila. Palakpakan natin yung ating mga partners. So muli po ay buong kababaang loob. At my fellow Rotarians sa Bagong Bayan, thank you sa inyo. Sana hindi ko kayo mapahiya pagdating ng araw. But kung nagkamali naman ako, ay itama ninyo ko. I'm still human being. Si Jesus lang ang laging perfect. But rest assured, hindi ko sasayangin yung pagkakataon or what you call second win. Pangalawang pagkakataon ibigay niyo sa akin para ayusin natin together ang lungsod ng Maynila. Magandang gabi at pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong Manila. Maraming salamat po. Manila! God bless. Thank you.
Mabigat.